Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something truly magical, a 3D paper snowflake using post-it notes. This craft is perfect for the holiday season and it's so simple to make with just a few basic materials. The best part, you don't need anything fancy, just some post-it notes, scissor and glue. These 3D snowflakes are perfect for decorating your home, hanging in windows, and adding a festival touch to your Christmas tree. Let's get crafting and make something beautiful together. This is a post-it note, and this is actually a square sheet. So you can just take one, and it has a glue already on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna fold into three parts, and this is the glue area which can come over on this fold, and then you make another fold. So you don't need a glue in this step. I think some post-its don't have glue, so you can just put some glue that time in that case. So don't worry about the exact size, because when you are actually optically going to fold this into three parts, you'll have an idea, and I think all of them are going to look same size. So you will require 20 pieces of this. Then I have this shape ready with me. You can see it clearly. So you can even, I'll just keep it all like this, so you can take a reference and draw it. You can pause the video and draw this reference, the drawing, and I'm gonna keep it over the other piece, and then I'm going to just draw the half part. This is done. Now let's fold it into half, and then cut it. I hope you can see it clearly here. Okay, so this is done. So you need to cut all this into these shapes. It's time to assemble the snowflake. So we can take two first together to paste it. So I'll take a glue and put the glue this way and paste the second piece over it. So like this, I'm gonna place all this together to form a circle in the end. Just I'll have a balance. And then we will repeat the process for all these pieces. Now this is ready. Now since all the 20 pieces are together, let's take the ends and stick them together. So gently take one, the first and the last one, and you're gonna close like this. So let me put some glue. I'm gonna hold it for some time, for a while, so that I hope you enjoyed this fun and easy tutorial for making 3D paper snowflakes with post-it notes. They are so simple yet so stunning, and they are perfect for bringing a little extra magic to your holiday season. If you try this craft, I would love to see how your snowflakes have turned out. Leave your comment below and share your creations or ask any questions I would answer. Don't forget to like this video if you have found this helpful. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative DIY ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy crafting and happy holidays. Bye bye.